Seems like it was yesterday when I saw your face. You told me how proud you were that I walked away. If only I know what I know today. I will hold you in my arms. I will take the pain away. Thank you for all you've done. Forgive all your mistakes. There's nothing I wouldn't do to hear your voice again. Sometimes I wanna call you, but I know you won't be there. Oh, I'm sorry for blaming you for everything I just couldn't do. And I hurt myself by hurting you. Some days I feel broken inside, I just wanna heal. Sometimes I just wanna hide, 'cause it's you and me. And it's so hard to say goodbye when it comes to me. Will you tell me I was wrong? Will you help me